This is a weird one. Solve for x log base 2 of log base 3 of log base 4 of x equals y. So I have to unleash that x, which is trapped inside 3 different logs. Well, let's work on the outside and work our way in. I have to get rid of log base 2 first. How do you get rid of log base 2? Base 2 both sides. That crosses you out and drops down log base 3 of log base 4 of x, and now it's equal to 2y, 2 to the y, 2 to the y. Now I still have to get rid of log base 3 and log base 4, so in order to get rid of log base 3, we're going to base 3 both sides, so cross you out. That drops down log base 4 of x, and on the right you have 3 to the 2 to the y power. And I have one more log to get rid of, so that's log base 4. Let's base 4 both sides, cross you out. Now x is on alone, and it's 4 to the 3 to the 2 to the y power. Which is u. Really weird problem, but lots of fun.